Hello, my Windshield survey is based on Contra Costa County, California. Moving forward with my survey, Contra Costa County is bounded to the east by the Diablo Range and to the west by San Francisco Bay. Walnut Creek, Richmond, Concord, Antioch, and Martinez are some of the neighborhood names, and subcommunities include smaller areas like San Pablo, Pittsburgh, East Richmond, and also Pleasant Hill. Talking about housing, age of buildings range from built in mid 1900s, and there are also newer developments around Pleasant Hill and San Ramon area, and the residences are a mix of single family and multi-family apartment complexes. Signs of decay. Few neighborhoods in the Richmond shows extreme signs of disrepair, such as vacant buildings and garbage in the alleyways, while areas like Walnut Creek and Concord only require regular maintenance. Parks and recreational areas. There are various parks and recreational areas around the county, and some of them are Contra Costa Canal Trail, Tilden Regional Park, as well as Brunis Regional Park, and they are open to the public. Talking about being open to public, there are public parks, community centers, and downtown areas that are open for social gatherings and hangouts. There are various stores in this county, such as Walmart, Safeway, Sprouts, Food Max, Walgreens, and there is also Costco. For transportation, most people drive their personal vehicles, but there is also public transportation like BART, which is like a train, and there are also transit buses. About communication, the county has access to newspapers like East Bay Times and also local TV stations and websites. There are also informational posters about health services, transportation, or any events on streets, buses, and billboards as well. Talking about service centers, CCC has a network of family and youth support centers in cities like Richmond and Concord, and there is also a healthcare service center, Contra Costa Regional Medical Center that is offered by the county. People in the community, the county is a mix of working adults, children, and older residents, and the social class goes from lower middle class and working class populations to upper middle class. Industries, the major industries are manufacturing, healthcare, education, and retail, and people's occupations also include working in those areas. There are police and fire stations located throughout the country, and police patrols are visible in most areas. The county is ethnically diverse with significant Hispanic, Black, and Asian populations. There are also stores and restaurants as well as cultural events reflecting the diverse community in most areas. Talking about religion, CCC had churches like New Life Christian Center, Bay Hills Church, and church-run schools like St. Paul's School and St. Joseph's School, and there are many Christian denominations along with growing number of Buddhist and Hindu temples. Health issues include heart diseases, diabetes, and asthma in the major population in this county, and there is a need of increasing awareness of mental health issues as well. Talking about politics, CCC is generally liberal with active political campaigns focused on housing, healthcare, and environmental issues. The Democratic Party is prominent as the county has a history of voting democratic, and there are other references. And that concludes my survey.